How to find friends on Facebook with contact number. So first is you have to go to your Facebook application and it will look like this. So on the left part, you will see the three dash lines there, or three diagonal lines. Just tap on that. And the next thing you want to do is to scroll all the way down till you see the settings and privacy. Now tap on that and go to settings. Here on settings, I want you to go to the permissions section. Under permission section, add preferences, location, apps and websites, business integrations, and then upload contacts. Now tap on the upload contacts here, and then you just have to turn on continuous contacts upload. Then it will actually give you this, or it will actually lead you here, and then just tap on get started. And here your Facebook is trying to sync with your contacts here. Just wait for a while, and here you will see all your contacts, and all you have to do is to just add friend them. Now if you want to directly search for that person, all you have to do is tap on the search for friends here, and then search for that friend and then add it as your friend. So basically that is how you find friends on Facebook, by contact number. Now if it doesn't work like that, you may want to go to your Play Store and just search for the Facebook application and go and update it. If it's updated, you can go back and do the same process again. So that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.